Okay, so hello guys, welcome to your let's see seventh C++ lesson or video or tutorial, anything or anything. Okay, so as promised, today I'm gonna show you guys how to build functions which use parameters. So as I told you, what parameters are is they are like extra bit of information which every function needs to run itself properly. Okay, so let's start building our first function, which will make our C++ life easier and happier and blah blah. Okay, so int. Why int? Because the return type of our function will be an integer, and the name will be area cal, because I'm gonna make an area calculator. Simple stuff to start with. So here comes the parameter stuff. What parameters are? They are the extra information which function needs to run itself. Okay, so whenever you are calculating area, you might be knowing that you'll be needing length and breadth. So, and they're of course integers, so we'll be needing int L for length and int B for breadth. Now what we'll do, we'll define another integer area which will be equal to L times B, because class grade 3 stuff, area is equal to length times breadth, universal law. Okay, now what we want to do, we'll be returning this area, because we said that the function which we were building returned an integer, and this area is of course an integer, so we are keeping our promise and returning an integer. Okay, now we build a function, a simple function called area cal. Now to use it in our main function, what we'll do, we'll just print out a simple statement. Just write the name of your name of function and pass in the parameters, like if the length is 4 and the breadth is 5, you can pass 4,5. Then you can go ahead and end your line, and you can add a prompt as well saying the area is blah blah, area cal 4,5. Okay, so now let's build on this. We have expected 4 times 5 becomes 20. So a quick recap for you guys. As usual, we included the IO stream header file, we used the namespace standard library, and after that we built a function whose return type was an integer and whose name was area cal. It took 2 integers as its argument or parameters, and they were called L and B for length and breadth respectively. And then we defined another integer called area, which was equal to length times breadth, because grade 3 math and all that. Okay, then we returned area, because this function has to return an integer, and area is an integer. And then for using it in our main function, what we did was simply used it in our in a simple cout output stream, and we had a prompt called area is, and we passed in 4,5. You can pass in anything else, 4,125. Oh sorry, what the hell, 4,125, and building on this, you'll be seeing the area is 500 of course. So, and then we return 0. So you might be seeing that in this function returns area, this function returns 0. So the explanation for this would be every main function has to return 0, so that the compiler knows that the program ran successfully, and every function other than main has to return the return type which has been specified earlier, so that the function could work properly. so that it would make sense, isn't it? We wanted to calculate the area, so we return the area. Common sense stuff. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my tutorials and videos, and I'll be meeting you next time. Till then, bye bye.